1300 of days is not just a number. This is the exact amount of time that thousands of unsung heroes spent in cellular jail so that you and I could stand here and breathing the air of freedom. Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, dedicated teachers, elders, and a magnificent Friday morning to one and all. Myself, Arsha Rahman, is a student of Standard 9, and I'm feeling very great pride to present in this speech. I'm not here just as a speaker, but our proud of our own liberty. On this sacred morning of 15th August, my heart beat with the same fire that drove over the freedom fighter through the darkest night. We are here to celebrate the breath, belief, and belonging. When I look at the tricolor I am fluttering against the sky today, I do not just see the cloth and color. I see the promise written by the sacrifices of millions. As a living, breathing democracy of this country, I step forward today to not just climb of our own right, but our profound responsibility is to keep this nation soaring high. This occasion invites us to reflect on our enduring values of our democracy. True independence is not just a date in history, it is the daily courage to climb with our own mind, choice and dignity. Today, as we commemorate India's freedom won on 15th August 1947, we honor the extraordinary sacrifices of millions of freedom fighters who laid the foundation of this sovereign democracy. The freedom of India was long and duress. It spanned over 200 years, in which countless groups and individuals resisted British rule. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Ashfaq Ullah Khan, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, and many others plays a pivotal role in this movement. Their relentless courage, efforts and determination eventually led the British leaving India. Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation of our country, was a key figure in this freedom for the independence of our country. His principle of non-violence movement and civil disobedience movement inspired millions of people to join his movement. The Salt March, Quit Indian movement and non-corporation movement are just a few examples of this leadership that brought the nation together against the British rule. True independence is not just a date in history, it is the daily courage to climb with your own mind, choice and dignity. Today, we break free from invisible choice of self-doubt, societal expectation and past limitations to declare of our sovereignty of our life. This is the moment we stop asking for permission to grow, step out of the shadow and conformity and boldly celebrate the ultimate liberation of this independence, of self-independence. Today, this is the day that we are celebrating our 80th Independence Day with proud of our vigilant enough after 80 years of independence. Without consuming your much more time, at last I would like to remain to all of you to always remember, freedom is not given, it is won by our bravery. Today, as we understand under the vast canopy of tricolor, we honor the extraordinary sacrifices of millions of freedom fighters and unspared dying of the heartbeat that refused to the bow. Thank you.